Hello everybody, 2000 Trains here, and today we're at Forest Gate. Not that sign, you douchebag. There we go, the new one. Where you'll be seeing, so at this station you'll be seeing services from TfL Rail, like this train approaching, 345016, leading the service to Shenfield, and Abellio Greater Anglia, which will be hightailing it through here. And if we're lucky, we might catch that rare C2C service which goes through here via Stratford to Shoeburyness or London Liverpool or London Fenchurch Street respectively. So like I said, when that announcement went off, that you'll be seeing services from TfL Rail, which will be called Cross Rail, as the service is ready to depart. So good. Without further ado, we can go on with the video. So let the train spotting commence. Okay, approaching now is a 345 working a service to London Liverpool Street from Shenfield. I haven't thought of a nickname for this train because I can't really think of much to say. 345003 is leading this service, and you have a 357 hightailing it through. 357026 and 357042, the meaning of life again, working a service to either Shoeburyness or Southend Central. Okay, now ready to depart is the 1054 TfL Rail service to London Liverpool Street. I must say this, I do like the Adventurers. My only problem with them is their construction method, i.e. that the entire body shell was made out of plastic or a specific kind of plastic. Anyone in the comments will tell me the specific kind of plastic they used for the body shell of the train. And another nitpick is with the traction motors, because when you saw the, let me get my words right. When you saw the train depart and you heard the traction motors, how did it sound like to you? Did it sound nice? Did it sound screechy? If it sounded screechy, you're right, because that's how I feel. Is there a train coming by? Oh, there is. And it's a 321, I think. But anyways, what I'm saying is that the Adventurers are very good trains. My only nitpick is that it's not made out of aluminium, like this train that will be passing by very shortly. And it doesn't have those beautiful sounding motors like the Electrostars did, like its predecessors. So, hightailing it through is 321347. Three, two, one, 365 on the rear. That's right, dustybin. Do the thing. Yep, so in fact, I'm not going to do an information screen showing what nicknames and the information for each train set, because because there's just only four sets of trains you're going to see. Or sod that. I'll do information screen for you guys because why not? Incoming now is the 1101 Shenfield service, and there's a 321 here, 321439. And 321419 rocking the X Great North X First Capsule Connect livery, and this service comes in. This is worked by (345,011). Okay, we have another train hightailing it through here. This is, I think, a 313 or a 315. Don't know where it's going, but I think it's running ECS. 315. I'll get the numbers for you in a sec. 315054, I think, and 315820 on the rear as the service to Shenfield departs. Alright, incoming now is the 1104 TfL rail service to London Liverpool Street. That's just what I said, love. This is worked by 345-010. I was going to say 010, but 010 just works better. Okay, departing now is the 1104 TfL rail service to London Liverpool Street. And if I turn the camera to this side, we should see, well, E-Class 321 crawling up to speed. 321-425 leaves the front. And 321-402 on the rear, rocking the X First. Oh, hello. 321-356. And 321-320 on the rear. So that service there with the rear set rocking the X First Capsule Connect livery is going beyond Shenfield, and this service is the same. This service going that way is the same case as the Class 345s, London Liverpool Street. Okay, now we have an express train giving it the beans. Here is the bunny train. That's just a nickname, which is weird. But here we have an express train hightailing it through to Norwich. (745-006), I think, because I didn't see the 745 number indicated at the front and the rear ends of the train. I must say I do like those trains because their traction motors are similar to that. Their initial traction whine from the motors is similar to that of the Electrostars. And then after that, it just goes full on crazy after like 5-10 miles per hour. And I also like the fact that it's a one-door coach things. It's one door per coach. You guys might not like it, but I like it. Especially with the elevated steps where what's it called? Where all the electrical equipment is in the train. So if you go halfway throughout the train, there's this electrical section, I think it's where the motors are as well. So since it's a 12-car train, when you go to the middle 6 cars, you have a few steps up, and I like that because it makes the train look unique. Because I think it's the only train where you can step up when you're walking through the train. I think it's the only train in the UK that has a step up when you're walking through the carriages. Yeah. Alright, incoming in now is the TfL rail service to Shenfield. Operating this service is 345008. Beautiful. Okay, ready to depart now is the service to Shenfield. Don't know what the time is. Yep, I think this is the 11:10 service to Shenfield. I'm just looking at this signage here, admiring its beauty because of the purple on it. I've been used to the red, orange, yellow, blue, light blue roundels, but I've never been used to a purple one. So when it comes to me seeing this for the first time, it's just nice. It's just very nice. That's the thing. And this is my first time actually seeing this roundel in person. This already gets me excited. For when Crossrail opens up. The shame though is that it's going to open in 2021. It's meant to open 2 years ago, or 1 year ago. But due to reasons which I understand, they've delayed it till 2020. It was initially delayed till 2020, but now it's delayed to 2021 to make sure that all the signaling, all the in-cab signaling. Oh, okay. We have a 360 that interrupted me. Leading this service is 360 103. (360-109) on the rear, and this is 345038 working a service to London Liverpool Street. I don't know why I had to think about it because they're all going the same place, so I don't really see any reason to think about it. And this service is now ready to depart. And a point of note, I do like the livery. I understand what TfL tried doing here. They didn't do the livery in a traditional way like they do for the Tube or the London Overground. What they've done, they kept the doors white, but they've recolored the entire train in purple and with some interesting geometric designs. It's a good design, I'm not admitting that. My own criticism is that when you look at it, it just looks a bit empty. So, you know what I was expecting when you were doing the Crossrail livery? I was expecting it to be traditional with a blue skirt, a purple line going all over, a purple line like how they do it on the Overground, and purple doors or magenta doors. That's how I was expecting it to look. But this livery is okay, and who knows, TfL might change over time. They might change over time. It's a good livery, but could do with some work. Okay, so we have a rare occurrence happening again. This time it's the C2C Angels. And I say C2C Angels because they look immaculate. Although they could have gangways at the front and the end of each coach, because when you couple them, you literally just have two independent trains coupled together where you can't transfer from one train to another. And this train is rocking its way slowly, and this is for Okay, London Liverpool Street. This is 387. No, not 387. 357. 357 040. Complete with a British flag. And on the rear is 357 327. Number rhyme in the house again. And I think I've done enough. Yep, so let me conclude it there. Thank you guys for watching this train spotting video. If you've liked the video, then please subscribe. Then please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can get more content from me. And you'll also keep up to date with what I post. So Forest Gate. It's a simple station. I like it. Oh, come on. How many trains are going to be hightailing it through platform 1? So, as I was saying before Anne decided to interrupt me and make me look like a complete dumbass, what I'm saying, this station looks simple. I liked how simple it is. Okay. So I'm interrupted again. A dusty bin. The class 321, dusty bins. On the front is 321 354. And this is ECS. The Essex commuter. And the class 321 428 is on the rear, rocking the former National Express Greater Anglia livery. No, it's East Anglia, not Greater Anglia. But you get the idea. I wasn't expecting that to happen. Anyways, so like I said, subscribe. So this station, again, if I can say it peacefully, this station is very simplistic. I do like well, I wouldn't say I like it that much, but the canopy work looks decent enough. And, well, the station is just simple and it works nicely. It's good for the purpose it has to do, because this station is just only for commuters to get on and off a train, nothing else. Okay, we have another 321 dusty bin. 321 347 and 321 431. Another number rhyme. So, if I can finally finish this outro without any interruptions, like, subscribe, notification button, and more videos. So, until you hear from me, it's time to say goodbye. Peace out.